I so happy to guide you in new tutorial titled, Design a Socket. I create a new document and call it Socket. Waiting a few moments for the ONSHAPE tools to load. Now, create a sketch on the front plane like you see. Go to the cube view and click on the front side, so the sketch becomes front of you. Now use the line tool and draw a closed sketch as you see. It is formed by the outline of the half section of the socket, our part to be designed. Here is the shape of the closed sketch, right after we need to dimension it in millimeters. After that, we need to draw an axis line around which we will rotate our closed sketch to obtain the shape of revolution of the part. Click here to transform the solid line in axis line. Our sketch must be dimensioned using the dimensioning tool. Each entity turns black when it is dimensioned. In the end, the entire sketch should be black. If a line remains blue, it indicates that it is still free and unconstrained. Go ahead and dimension the sketch like me, with the same dimensions so that we end up with the same shape of the design socket. Of course, all these dimensions come from the PDF document we saw at the beginning of the tutorial. We can also change dimensions at any time if we made a mistake transcribing dimensions or measurements taken by metrology instruments for parts that already exist, which is what we did in reverse engineering. Now we will revolve the sketch around the axis of revolution drawn earlier, to obtain the desired 3D shape of the socket, as you will notice. There, our socket is finished. I was going to make the 3 planes of the first trihedron invisible, for greater clarity on the screen. Even origin we can hide with the same method. Tutorial is already finished, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Bye.